this cover, there's a bolt right here. Use an 8mm socket. Take that out. And slide the cover up. And slide it forward. There's a bracket right here that holds the coolant hoses on. Just use a trim tool and just separate that from that. This one's broken on this vehicle. Now we want to remove this snorkel and use an 8mm socket. Loosen up the worm clamp, or you can use a straight blade screwdriver. So right here, slide this off and slide it off the throttle body and pull it out of your way. And use a 15mm wrench, or you can use a belt tensioner tool and just put it on the belt tensioner. Loosen this up. Slide the belt off of the idler pulley. You can loosen up on the tensioner and slide the belt off the alternator, off the power steering pump pulley, off the water pump, and off the crank pulley. Now use a 15mm socket, and there's 3 bolts holding the tensioner on. Take those 3 bolts out and slide that out. All right, take the new tensioner, and you have those 3 bolts. 2 of them are longer, 1 of them is shorter, and the longer ones go on the longer part of the bracket. The shorter one goes on the shorter part. And I'm going to torque these bolts to 37 foot-pounds. All right, take the serpentine belt and slide it over the crank pulley first. And go over the water pump. The back side of the belt needs to go over the water pump. And go down to the power steering pump. And then up over the alternator. And then over the tensioner right here. And you hold off on putting it over the idler pulley till last. And now take your belt tensioner tool or a wrench. And just take the tension off the tensioner. All right, now I'm going to slide the belt close to the idler pulley and take the tension off the tensioner with your wrench or your belt tension tool. Just be careful. And take the wrench off and just double check all the pulleys, and it looks good. Now take the intake snorkel and line this up over the throttle body. And that's good there. And line it up on the mass airflow sensor. Just like that. And tighten this up. Tighten up that worm clamp, and then same with this one. And take this bracket and then reposition that into that bracket. This one doesn't, this one's broken. And slide this cover back on. Get this bolt started. And tighten that up.